Hey guys, how's it going? So, I have finally finished my wall-mounted PC build, which is taking me absolute ages to finish. There was a lot of ups and downs. There was a lot of mistakes that happened, incidents, whatever you could call them, that were definitely not planned. Overall, it was a very stressful experience, not because I didn't plan it, but because of some of the materials that I used just weren't very forgiving for me. But here it is. It's done. It's finished, and well, I'm ready to show you guys exactly what's happening with it. So, quick little understanding of the layout design. Wood on the wall, square piece of wood, slatted piece of wood, with my computer components attached to the wood, with a acrylic plexiglass front shield, kind of like an enclosure case around it, just to help minimize dust and stuff like that. So this is the finished design, and I will show you what it looks like when I switch it on now. So let's do it. Okay, so let's have a little look at the design here and the main layout. So this is my main PC layout here. This is my setup. Right, keyboard, mouse, my TV monitor with my custom swing out arm so I can swing it out to watch TV, put it back here. I've got a adjustable desk as well, can go up and down whatever I need. I can pull that out, desk comes up. And then we have here the PC. So it is attached to the wall by two brackets at the top, which attaches the wooden board that all my PC parts are on to the wall. But then it also has an additional resting slat here. So that's just a slat of wood on the wall that it's resting on, with another little bolt here, little bracket, just to stop it from being able to slip out from underneath. So this is it. This is what we have. And if we take a little bit of a deep dive here, we've got these little brackets here, these little coping bits, and inside we have bits of rubber here, each side to seal. So the rubber goes like this, and it seals itself to the outside of the components. Here we have some mesh grill that I've made myself. This is like weather stripping for cars, and this is mesh for general purpose stuff. Don't know, I found it on Amazon, works pretty well. This is an open design here. I don't have mesh here because this blows the air in, and it comes out the top here, which I have a dual fan at the top here, which you're gonna laugh at this, guys. Anyone who builds computers will probably find this really funny, but it has a separate control here. So I can have it like that, or I can have it really, really loud, which is fun. So yeah, it's not too bad. I'm gonna see if you can hear this. Let me put the mic next to it. So yeah, that's what we have. And you might be wondering, well, where's the on button? The on button is actually hidden, so no one can just come in here and turn it on. They will be very confused if they ever did. Basically, the button is actually behind here, which I've told everyone now, so that's not really a secret, is it? But we turn the TV on now. There we go. Maybe I should turn off the lights a bit so we can see better. I've got too many lights on here, guys. So if I turn off all the lights, this is what we have. So this is what's going on here. I think it's pretty cool. And it's not coming on my TV for some reason. Oh yes, it is. It's Fusion Link software. No. And there we go. There we go, guys. This is the setup. I'm very happy with it. It's turned out not exactly how I wanted it to. And now that you can see what it looks like and how cool it looks with all of its glory, now I get to show you the mistakes. So let me turn the light back on. Let's turn all these lights back on now. Okay, lights back on. Socks on the floor. Okay, all the lights are back on now. It's time to show you the imperfections. So here we go. Massive crack at the top here. Not any ceiling here, which is okay. I'm happy with that. There we go. Plexiglass, so scratches on it from working on it. Very difficult to get off. I know you guys might say, why don't you heat it up with a torch? Well, it's actually very, I can't speak, it's actually very delicate in a way. If you heated this up, it might cause even more cracks. So what I mean by that is, under this nice little decal bit here, you might be thinking, oh, that's quite a cool little decal. There's actually a massive crack that runs all the way from here, around here, and you wouldn't even know, but it's there. It's a massive crack. It's a huge crack that runs through there, similar to one you can see here, but I didn't cover that up. Why not? It's beautiful the way that it is. So yeah, so there are a few little areas that could have definitely been improved. Plexiglass is a horror to work with when you're working with a massive piece like this. I have to, because one part of it heats up quicker than the other, and then the other part cools down too quickly, and it's an absolute nightmare. If I was going to do this again, I would make a little wooden frame, and I would just have square panels in the frame. I wouldn't do any of this bending shit. But yeah, so I'm really happy with it. It looks great. I thought it was time to share. It's quite a big achievement for me, so I'm extremely happy with it, to be honest, guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? What do you think I could have done better? What's your opinion on building a wall-mounted PC like this? And yeah, I would just love to hear some opinions and comments, maybe about your own computers and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know, guys. Hope you're all having a great day, and yeah, this is it. This is the PC.